After our hardware selections have been made, we move on to the color selection of our exterior panels, and by that we mean doors and other external panels such as applied panels. Here we have the exterior material type that will apply in this scenario, so you can choose from the many options that the manufacturer has set. Alternatively, if you're just wanting to order carcasses only and not include the doors, you can choose the non-supply option, which can be found here. If we were to select melamine, then we'll see a bunch of possible door options available in that category. Then if we were to select veneer, for example, we will see a bunch of different door and drawer style options available, which gives a lot of creative control over the job that you're doing. Going back to our melamine, we're going to run with a Polytech color. We're going to select Ravine, and we're going to go bleached walnut. You might notice this horizontal grain checkbox. This basically means that it is a material whose pattern has a grain or directional element about it. This checkbox allows you to change the product from being a vertical grain to a horizontal grain as you wish. Now, after our exterior color, we can also select our exterior edge color as well, which can come in handy in the case that you need to go down the route of having an edge strip that is a different color to your board material. So that is where you specify it here. Note that rather than using the drop-down lists, you can also select a color from the color swatches that gives you a visual representation of what you're looking for.